Congratulations! You made a great decision in choosing the Honeywell Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat with voice control for your home. This video will walk you through how to use the voice control commands. You can also refer to the voice control command card that came with your thermostat. Remember that you need to be connected to Wi-Fi to use the voice control feature. If at any time you need assistance, visit wifithermostat.com/support or call 1-855-733-5465.
Hello, thermostat.
Hello, please say a command.
Make it cooler.
1 moment, please. Changing set point to 73 degrees.
Hello, thermostat.
Hello, please say a command.
Make it much cooler.
1 moment, please. Changing set point to 70 degrees.
Hello, thermostat.
Hello, please say a command.
Make it cooler.
Changing set point to 73 degrees.
When using the Honeywell Wi-Fi thermostat with voice control, we'd like you to experience the convenience of home comfort control. But there are some things the thermostat can't do. Well, at least not today.
Hello, thermostat.
Hello, please say a command.
Where are my car keys?
1 moment, please. I'm sorry, I did not understand. Can you please try again?
Hello, thermostat.
Hello, please say a command.
What can I say?
You can say warmer, cooler, or specify how much warmer or cooler you want. For example, make it 2 degrees warmer.
Hello, thermostat.
Hello, please say a command.
Make it cooler.
Changing set point to 73 degrees.
Hello, thermostat.
Hello, please say a command.
Make it 5 degrees cooler.
1 moment, please. Changing set point to 69 degrees.
Honeywell's Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat with voice control. The first thermostat built to listen.